Imagine this, you check your bank account and it says $0. That was me just a year ago. I was stressed, broke, and had no clue how to move forward. But here's the twist. 12 months later, I wasn't just surviving, I was financially free. And I'm going to show you the exact steps I took so you can do the same. Step 1. Track every dollar. I started by writing down where my money was going. It's like shining a light in a dark room. You suddenly see the leaks. Subscriptions I didn't use, impulse buys, eating out too much. Cutting just those saved me hundreds each month. Step 2. Build a small emergency fund. Before chasing wealth, I saved $1,000. That little cushion stopped me from using credit cards every time life threw a curveball. Step 3. Increase your income. Saving alone wasn't enough. I picked up a side hustle, freelancing online in the evenings. Within months, I was earning an extra $500 to $800 a month. Step 4. Pay off high-interest debt. Credit cards were eating me alive with 20% interest. I tackled them first, dollar by dollar. Once they were gone, I suddenly had more money to invest. Step 5. Invest consistently. The biggest shift came when I started investing, small amounts at first. Even $10 or $20 every week grew faster than I imagined. By the end of the year, my money was finally working harder than me. And here's the truth. It's not about luck. It's about a simple system: track, save, earn, pay off debt, and invest. Do this for 12 months straight, and you'll be shocked at how far you can go. So, are you ready to go from $0 to financially free? Hit that like button if you're serious about changing your money story. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this.